Hi everybody, Brenda here. How are you all doing today? Hope you're all doing well. I have my oncology appointment today and I'm feeling a little anxious. So thought I would come on and just do some crafting and make some tags and maybe get my mind off it a little bit. If you guys can help me do that. So what I've been doing is going to color some tags, and I've got these manila tags here. So I'm going to start off by coloring. So what I've been doing is putting a little peeled paint down and a little walnut stain, and I've got very fumbly fingers today. Maybe I'm a little nervous. And some fossiled amber. Just mixing up a few colors, making it nice and nature-like. Spraying some water. And then I just go with one of my tags and do a little smooshing. See that? And make it basically nature colors. So I like that one. I'm just gonna set these aside to dry. Grab another tag. This one I'd like to have some more green. It's got a little more brown than anything. So I want some more green. Okay, I like that. And let's see, let's put a little more yellow. Just a smidgen of brown, and wet that down and smush. There we go. And I will just set these aside to dry. So now that we have that done, that is drying, but I do have some already prepared. So, prepared ones. So I made some earlier and they are pretty much dry. So I'm going to take one of these and I want to, let's see, what did I use? Here it is. Okay, I want a little decor at the top, so I've got this stamp that I like to put, and I'm using potting soil for this. So I am just going to ink this stamp up and turning it around so I can see what I'm doing. And I just want to stamp right across the top, like so. So that gives it a little line across the top. And then I want to come in with some script. So I'm going to use some of this and just a little script here and there. Like so. Like that. And then I want to pick out a, well, I'm going to distress around the whole thing. And this is using Vintage Photo. So we have that, and then I have some focal points that I picked out, some ferns and some mushrooms. So that's a big one, but I think that would be too big. Let's do this right about here, like so. I like that. And I want to distress, of course. Hope you all are having a good day. I'll let you know how mine is when I get back from the doctor. Don't like seeing new doctors. Get comfortable with the ones I'm seeing, and then they send you off to a new one. Okay, so I am going to lay this down as my focal point, and I think I want it right about there. Okay. And then I have these little labels that I cut out, except for the corners. I didn't get the corners, so let me do that real quick. Got my granddaughter back today. They're back from vacation, so she is with us today. If you hear any abnormal sounds, it's probably her. So I have these little red labels, and I thought I would put one of these right down here in the corner. So let me get this down. Right here. And then over on this side, I have my numbers, and I want to do a number in red. I'm using fired brick. That's about the closest I had to red. And I want to put a number right about there. And then we want to get a tie. I think I'll have to, I'm gonna do this twice, like so. Make it a little thicker. See if I can get it in here with not too much trouble. Cut it down some. And there we have our little nature tag. So there's one done. Let's do another. Basically using the same process. I want my little my little decor at the top. Like so. Just love that. I love that at the top of my tags. Okay, and then I want to do some text or script. Like so. And then do some, see if you have this all planned out, you can basically mass create a bunch of tags in one sitting if you have it pretty much planned out what you want to do. I want to try to find a mushroom, see how big he is. Let's see if we can get one a little darker. I like that one. I like that one. Ink it up. I haven't used mushrooms in so very long for making things, and I love, absolutely love the look of mushrooms for nature embellishments. So I don't understand why I haven't been using them. Ugh. Sorry, I'm just going to ink, using Scotch Create glue, and I'm just going to ink this up on the side here. And lay this down as a focal point. Let's see if I can get my my little card to lay flat. I'll probably have to put them, I usually sometimes set them under some books or something to flatten them out. There. Now I want a little label. Just cutting off the corners here. And distress this. A little glue on my label. And put this right over here. What is your problem? And then I think, let's see, I will use this little number over here. And put that right down here a little further. That's with my fired brick. And let's see. See how this looks. I don't have much for trim in nature colors. I've got to get some nature colored ribbons and stuff. So there we go. I love them. Love them, love them. Let's do another. Have a little lighter background one here. Beautiful day out today, but I heard there's like a big storm coming, someone was saying. So I don't know what that's all about, but I don't see any signs of it yet. So I don't know, any of you out there got storming going on yet? Okay, so we used a mushroom. What should we use this time? Well, I kind of like that. Let's put this down this time. I think we have enough snow at this point, don't you? I'm really looking forward to spring. If you know what I mean. Well, sticking to everything over here. Okay, so I want this to be like so. And then, oops, see if we got a little red tag. I like the red, I like the little red embellishments because it adds a little pop of color. So I decided to use some red labels and some red numbers. Give it a little pop. Let's put this over on this side. I thought I saw a hair. I think I did. Put this one over on this side this time. And then we can put a little number on the other side. Trying to figure out where I want it. There we go. And I need a little something to tie on this. Got some more of this stuff. Sorry, concentrating on getting that through. And then I want to cut some off. And there we have another one. Shall we make one more mushroom? Let's see what we have for colors here. Ooh, that one's kind of pretty. I like that one. Okay. One more. And then I'll show you what we did. I like my little glass mat. I don't know if I told you, but I got that at the got this at the thrift store the other day, and it makes life much easier when you're working with inks and wets and stuff like that. Okay, now I want this. Some script. That. And let's see if we can find a nice mushroom. Let's see, that's an odd looking one, isn't it? Kind of dark. That one's pretty. I like that one. That one's kind of small, but it doesn't look bad. Did I already try this one? That kind of blends in a little. That's kind of a tall order there, so let's go with this one. Okay. Sorry. Inking up over off to the side. Excuse me. Okay. Excuse me, I'm just going to take a little sip of water. I seem to have gotten a little tickle. So let's see here. Kind of like the little dragonfly. Just cutting off the corners. Sorry. Okay, and I'm going to glue this on. Right here. Get me a number. Oh, yeah. I don't think I distressed my other one, so I'll have to do that too. Alrighty. I need to put some something on this one. Don't know how that will work. Ribbon is kind of stiff to use, but I think it's okay. And there we have another one. Now, if you, like I said, if you get these all like colored up first, do all your coloring, and then get all your stuff that you want to use on them and what you want to do with them, and then just go to town decorating. You can basically get quite a few done in a little amount of time. So there you have our tags all done and ready to go. So guys, thank you for hanging out with me today, getting my mind off what's coming later. I'll let you guys all know the outcome. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. It's beautiful out today, but I don't know how cold it is. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the bell for notification of further future videos. And like I said, thank you for hanging out with me today. And, oh, it's stamped right on my squirrel, sorry. And you guys have a blessed day, have fun, and happy crafting, and I will talk to you and see you again soon. Bye-bye.